Let's go. All right, guys. Welcome everybody that's here today. We had 2 weeks off of vacation, man. I hope you guys enjoyed your vacation. You guys had a good time with your loved one, with your girlfriend, with your boyfriend. I don't know with who. Whoever you spend your time with, by yourself. If you're a loner, okay. Hope you had a great time. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. All right. But it's back to reality, back to money, right? We're back here to start killing and taking away money from the dealer's pockets, right? So today's lesson, guys. Make sure, guys, you have your mics off, please, for respect for others. Okay. For today's lesson, it's going to be New Year's resolution. It's going to be a short, quick lesson. And after that, I'll go over some projections for the week and, we'll end it there. Okay. And then next week we'll have our live, I think JR might have a live webinar on London. I'll let you guys know, or he'll post it on the teacher's channel. Okay. All right. So New Year's resolution, wish Jacob was here because he was one of the guys asking me, but okay. So number one on the list, we have, of course, trading. Okay. Trading for Forex markets in the 2017. Okay. So I want you to walk in this year with a positive mindset. Okay. You can't have a negative mind and trade. Okay. That's going to counter you and it's not going to be well for you. Okay. We want to have a positive mindset. Okay. Healthy. What I mean by being healthy is that have a healthy relationship with people around you, with your loved ones, with your buddies, with your coworkers. If you don't have that health, or also health as if in, like, I guess you can say fitness, if you're into fitness, you already feel healthy, right? But that's a plus actually. But the people surrounding you, if you have to have a healthy circle. Okay. If you have a sloppy circle, people, negative stuff, it's not healthy, and it may work against you when you're trading. Okay. Motivated. I want you to be motivated this year. Sorry guys, let me cut this off. I want you to be motivated this new year. We have a full 12 months, about 300. I'm not good at math, but let's just take off the weekends, about 300 days worth of trading days. We have 300 days of trading days ahead of us, and there's nothing that should be stopping us. Whatever motivated you this year and said, okay, hey, look, man, I know Cash's method works. It worked for me, the last couple of months. Whatever it is, if you're trying to, prove your parents wrong, if you're trying to make it out, like they say, make it out the hood. If you're, whatever your reason is, I want you to be motivated and don't procrastinate, okay? Procrastination is, I would say, it's kind of like a sin because it works against you, okay? Don't procrastinate and always keep yourself motivated, okay? There's a lot of motivational speakers you can listen to, okay? I know Ty Lopez is a fantastic motivational speaker. People like that, if you want YouTube videos or something, just let me know. I wouldn't mind sharing some motivational speakers with you guys. Okay. Happy. In life in general, and in trading, of course, I want you to be happy. I want you to enjoy what you do. Okay. If you don't enjoy trading, what are you doing? Okay. You have to enjoy what you do in life. It doesn't matter if it's trading. It has to, if, I don't know, you have a side job and you love it, or you're going to college for something that you love. I want you to be happy for it, okay? And with the trading here, I want you to be happy. Go to your terminal, go to your PC, your desktop, your phone every day. Wake up and say, hey, today I'm gonna trade. I feel good. I'm happy what I do. Stuff like that, okay? I want you to be happy all the time, okay? Patience. What I mean by patience, guys, is that patience, like they say, a lot of successful people, a lot of successful traders, a lot of entrepreneurs say patience is a virtue. Patience truly is a virtue, okay? You have to understand that this is not going to happen overnight, okay? It's a new year, so a lot can be made, like I just said. All right. Just be patient. Be patient. Okay. The best traders weren't made within, overnight. I wasn't made overnight. It took a lot of hard work. And, some of you guys like Tim and every other guy that saw me, start off when I just started with 0.01s. Right? You guys saw me grow, and, it took a lot of patience and a lot of hard work. Right. All right. So be patient with the method and be patient with yourself and with trading. Okay. Let's see what the chat box says. Yeah, you want to make it out the hood, bro. I feel you, man. I feel you will, Johnny. You will. Remember what we talked about today, all right, bro? All right. Number 2, planning. You have to have a plan when you go into your terminal, when you go to your account and you want to take a trade, okay? Well, the number 1 on the list for number 2, planning, funding your account. Some of you guys are still on, are still practicing on demo, which is fine. I have nothing against that. Okay, guys, I told you guys, if you want to trade demo, that's fine. You get the experience and the confidence, and then you'll be ready to go live. Okay. If you're going to fund your account anytime soon, guys, make sure that it's money you can afford to lose, and make sure that, of course, make sure that it's something that, you can walk in and, let's just say, worst case scenario, you blow your account. Worst case scenario, which I hope it doesn't happen to any of you guys. You have to be positive and say, hey, look at your mistakes and go like, man, I did this and did this wrong. Okay. And kind of back test it and see what you did wrong. Hey, that's why I'm here, of course. Okay. Funding your account with reasonable amounts, not exaggerated amounts. You don't need exaggerated amounts to make a lot of money. Okay. I know Nathan, I don't know if Nathan's in here, but he's excellent at flipping $10 accounts into 200, into 300 in a short amount of time using MMMs, just taking second leg M's and W's. He's very good at that. I don't know if you're in here, Nathan. If you are here, shout out for you, bro. All right. Leverage and risk, right? Leverage and risk is one of the most important things when you trade. Of course, right? There's no possible way that you can blow your account with mini lots with 0.001s. There's no way. Even if you have $100 account, you have to probably take about 50 trades minus 20 pips each to blow your account. But you guys are using this method, so that's highly unlikely, okay? The risk is very important, okay? If you haven't checked out my risk management plan, feel free to go look it out. I know some of them are a little exaggerated, but hey, once you're in that advanced course, you'll say, oh, this is why Cash said to take higher lots on these, because, they're going to pay out like no matter what, but risk management, I've said 2% of your account, 2%, okay? That's all I want you to risk for now. Later on, once you're a master, kind of like Pitman, he's killing them with huge lots now, I think. All right. He's going about 5%, 6%, okay? Stuff like that, okay? You once you get the confidence, you can go on from there, okay? Setting a trade goal. This is very important, okay? I was telling Mr. Donovan, last time that you have to set a trading goal every day or every time you take a trade. Example, hey, today's Sunday, I don't trade the false move week beginning, or I don't trade Sunday, Monday, period. Cool. Go to Tuesday, Wednesday, blah, blah, blah. You take a trade, set either if you go for the pips or you go for the money. I love going for the money because I just place higher lots like that, okay? But some of you guys, I respect any kind of way you want to, but, you have to set a trading plan. Okay, today I'm going to grab 30 pips from the markets and I'm done for the day. Or, hey, this week my target is 200 pips and that's it. No more. And no more being greedy, okay? Or say, okay, today is Monday. My account is at $100. I want to make 10%. 10% is $10, I believe. So it would be at 110. This is what I want to do. 10% today of my account and do this every day, or do 5% of my account every day. These are the little goals that you want to put in trading, okay? If you go in and walk in and say, man, I'm trying to double my account in one day, here's the thing. If you do it and it actually works, the next day you're going to be like, oh, man, I'm going to do it again. The next thing you know, you lost the money, and you probably even lost more than what you put in, and you blow your account, okay? Let's see, Pitman. No, I'm trading between zeros. I don't know. That's big to something. I don't think it's standard outside. Oh, that's fine, bro. That's not that bad, bro. Standards, yes, standards are the goals. Patrick, what are my personal goals for 2017? Is that question to me, bro? Let's see what you say, buddy. I'm assuming yes. Yeah. Okay. My personal goals for 2017, Patrick, is one of my main goals is to make $50,000 from Forex by the end of summer. $50,000 USD. Okay. That's my goal. Fund an account about maybe 500 to 1,000 and slowly grow it from there. Okay, because I was practicing with smaller accounts. I don't know if you were in the last London and New York sessions that we had, before the year ended. I was with a $80 account, $100 account, just trying to improve myself, flipping small accounts, so I can see how you guys are with the small accounts, so I can put myself in your shoes and say, okay, so this is the recommended lot for this, and consistent equity growth and so on and so forth. But yeah, I want to make about 50,000 by the end of the summer. That's my goal. Yeah. Thanks, bro. Thank you. All right. So you have to have a set a trading goal, or, just kind of like what I said, man, example, let's see, Diego Delgado says, hey, I want to make $5,000 USD by the end of the summer. Hey, that's your goal. Go for it and use everything you've taught, you've learned, or you're still learning, and just kill it from there. Okay. Setting a trading goal is very important. All right. And the last one right here, mental. Each one of these is 33%. You're trading. I know some people say, I think I've heard of a quote that said trading is 80% psychological, 20% is strategy. And actually, I haven't even talked about the strategy here at all. So see how that kind of ties in to what that quote says. It's pretty true, actually. Everything is mental, okay? This is all part of the brain, actually. Everything has to do with you, not with the strategy, okay? Mental. One of the first things, stop outs. This is kind of the subject that some people fear in the Forex markets, getting stopped out and seeing that big fat red number on your screen. I'm no exception. I personally, sometimes when I see a minus 1,000 on my account, it kind of gets me a little but because I know that I can make it back, or, make it back with realistic lot sizes, and not be, not get desperate and start placing double standards and then just make it worse, That requires a lot of discipline. But what I'm trying to say here is that when you get stopped out, guys, Johnny, Pitman, Tim, everybody on here that's today. We got who came in here? Jose, hey, Jose, bro, you're missing out. You're probably going to have to watch the recorded webinars. But I'll post it today, okay, bro? The stop outs, okay? I need you to understand that it will happen, and this is normal, okay? I have not seen one trader that hasn't been stopped out, and if they haven't been stopped out, they're lying to you, okay? They're lying. I'm as honest as I can be. You guys have seen my losses. You guys saw my loss on the webinar, on the live webinar in front of you guys, to show you I'm not like a freaking robot that's perfect all the time. All right? Stop outs will happen, okay? It's happened to me. It's happened to Walter. It's happened to everybody of us, okay? All right. So to deal with that, you have to be strong and keep going and never stop. All right. Next one, exiting too early or too soon. Also part of the mental area. You've ever been in a trade and you exited too early and say, man, because of my emotions, I couldn't hold, you know, I had one of my students actually tell me that they exited too early because of emotions, and then it rose another 50 pips. And they were pissed at themselves. Stuff like that, it's all in your conscious, all in your mind. Okay, you have to be confident, which is my next one on the list, right? Remember that also that webinar I had about confidence. Okay, also exiting too soon, exiting too early too soon. Wait, exiting too early too soon, isn't that the same thing? Okay, exiting and entering too soon. I'm sorry. Entering too soon is another thing that happens very often. Okay, when you enter too soon, one of the main reasons that I've seen that they tell me that they enter too soon is because they fear that they will miss out on the trade. You want to know why I know this? Because I've done it, and because the students of mine have told me. Yeah, hey Jose, how you doing, buddy? Yeah, it's all right, bro. It's all right, man. Happy New Year's, and hope you had a good Christmas, brother. So you enter too early, you get the second leg M, and because you're scared of missing out, you get in, and next thing you know, it starts rising on you and say, man, I should have not got on, man. Man, my emotion. I don't want you to struggle with this anymore. Okay, don't enter too soon because you fear that you're gonna miss out on the move. Okay, now if you miss out and it goes your way where you thought it would, cool. Let it ride, man. There's gonna be a next setup. I promise you. I promise you. I promise you. All right. And the last thing on the list, well, confidence, kind of went over that already. Be confident in your trades at all times. Be confident in the system. Be confident in yourself. Last thing, of course, believe in yourself. Believe that it works. Believe that it works. I know it's done great wonders to most of you guys. I've seen drastic changes in your trading. Congrats, Pitt, man. I don't know if Jesse Chung is in here. Congrats, Jesse, Jacob, Can CUAN. A lot of you guys have been doing beautiful work, man. I love it. You guys are going to be killing it soon. Can't wait until you graduate from my course. Okay? Believe in yourself always, okay? No matter what anybody says, you have to believe in yourself, not only in trading, but in your life in general. You're always going to have people downing you. And this is, like I said, in general too. Never let them tell you otherwise. All right? If you have a dream, go and get it. Don't ever let anyone tell you what to do. All right? So that's here. And now we're just going to go over the projections for the week. And after that, I said it was going to be a short class. So after that, it will be good to go. You guys can leave, okay? So here are the projections for my week, all right? So Euro USD, okay? NFP came and spiked the high, spiked the close like this, indecision candlestick, you want to say. I guess that's how you can call it. 3 hits to the high, don't hit the high in front of me 3 times, okay? They could have got in right there, took a little heat or whatever. All right, anyways, level 1, we're currently in level 1. This is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting a stop line high drop. All right. If you want to ask me what this little line over here is, this line is last week's market maker spread. Okay. If you're in my advanced class, you know what that is. If you're not, it's okay. Don't worry about it. Pretty much, this is the psychological support and resistance from last Sunday. Okay. Those are the little black lines that show up every Sunday. Okay. If you don't have it, just go here. All right. Quickly go over that. Go here, go to custom, and then go to, where is it? It is physical level. Sorry, I pronounced it wrong. But yeah, that's right there. It'll give you some black lines. And later on, you'll learn about that, okay? But Pitman, Tim, everybody else. So I have this here because if they give us a big fat W and they don't take out the Asian low, the Asian support from last week, we got them, and this should keep going along. But the move right now, is a stop on high drop. That's what I'm expecting, okay? Possibly a safety trade or possibly a 50 bounce because of the moving averages are crossing, so they may come and drop them. All right. There's Euro. That's what I'm expecting. Okay, let's go on to UJ. Excuse me. Okay, so UJ is a little more confusing, guys. So here's what I have. So I put peak formation low right here simply because I had a question mark. I have a question mark right there because I'm asking, okay, so NFP and came and spiked this area and shifted. Okay, if USD Japan shows me stop on low rise, this is the peak and we're looking for longs again. Yes, we're looking for longs. Okay, now if they come in here and do this, a big fat M, and the peak is here and they never come back here to price 118.5, 80-ish, we got them. We're going to go look to go short, okay? Kind of like an inverse Euro USD right now, all right? But the projection that I'm seeing right now from what I'm looking at is possibly a stop on low rise, okay? All right, let's go to GBP USD. Okay, let's see, I think it was, okay, yeah, right here. Okay, so anchored in beautifully right here, multi-session M, okay, you know, they railroad tracks to the water, NFP, spike, drop, 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 okay, day one, level one, okay, I'm looking for a stop line high drop, okay. It is clear that this is locked, this is more than 50 to 75 pips, okay, so we're looking for a stop line high drop here, all right. On GBP USD. That's what we're looking for. All right, USD CAD for my boy Jose. This is what I'm looking at, Jose. So beautiful level 3 right here on UCAD. Level 1, you know, stop on high drop. Level 2, stop on high drop. Okay, level 3. Okay, I think one of you guys had a question. I think it was Kenneth. I don't know if he's in here, but Kenneth had a question and said, why was this on level 3, but it dropped one more time? And the answer to that is really simple. Remember, guys, I say that the market makers don't, you know, they make the rules. They don't follow them, okay? So with that being said, that is why you see another drop here, okay? It's a slight drop. It's about 40 pips, okay? Cool. Okay, this is, I have a little, you know, that's why I draw my line here. I'm looking to go long in this pair, okay? Now, if they show me something else, I have a moving average crossover here, so that's kind of why I have this one here and this here, okay? If they come in here and do a stop on high drop, we're looking for more shorts, all right? We're looking for more shorts. We're looking for more shorts. If the dealer comes and spike this area, 3 hits to the low, false move, beginning of session, we got them for the next 2, at least a day and a half day. You can feel free to swing this 1, 2, 2.5, so on and so forth, okay? You know that already. All right, so that's what we're looking for, Jose, okay? And for everybody else that traded this pair. Sorry about that, guys, the background. All right, let's look at Gbp Jpy. All right, this was a little more tricky, but same thing. So GU and UJ are being worked. So that is why GJ is being chopped around like this, okay? If you were asking, okay? So head and shoulders on the 15-minute chart, okay? 3, 1, 2, 3, they corrected. Beautiful, beautiful levels right there. Reset right there. Level 1, I'm looking for any reason to go short on this pair, okay? Any reason to make me go short, okay? If it doesn't give me that, then this means that this whole thing will be the peak and we're looking for longs, okay? But I'm looking for any reason to go short on this pair on GJ, all right? For those who trade GBP, GBP Jpy. All right, gold. Pitman, I know you love gold. Let's see what we got for you, bro. I'm looking for any reason to go long on gold, any reason to give me a long on gold, all right, bro? The reason, not only because of the levels, but because this is a huge consolidation zone right here, man. Look at this. They worked this area for, since December 14th, man, about 14th through the 20th. That's about 14 days of chop on the hourly, of course. on the 15-minute, you're going to be a lot of trades, a lot of JADO trading for the advanced students, right? Level 1 right here, they came in here, you know, chop around. They finally broke the high. Level 2, okay? So that's why I'm looking for any reason to go long. Now, if they come in here, tap this area, and then come do this, this is going to be a beautiful head and shoulders. So we're going to look for shorts, all right? We're going to look for shorts, but until now, I'm looking for any reason to go stop on low rise, all right? On gold. For AU, same thing. It's following the exact same same style of gold. Okay, 1, okay, quickly, okay, 3, 1, and 2. Okay, same thing. It's the same thing. I'm expecting the same as gold. Euro GBP, I'm not even touching that pair. It's too ugly. If you trade Euro GBP, I will look at Euro and GBP USD instead. They're doing this because they're working in Euro and working GU USD. Okay, that fraction disparity right there. All right. That's why it's all ugly, but it's still kind of rising. All right. There's no visible stop hunt. There is some, but I recommend you to stay away from that. All right. Euro GBP, not looking at that pair either. Not looking at that one right now. All right. I know most of you guys don't even trade this pair. So NZD USD. I see it at level 3 right here. Okay, beautiful. 3 hits to the high. Don't hit the high in front of me 3 times. Level 1, I'm looking for a stop on high drop. All right, for my NZD, I know CUAN loves this pair. All right, bro, this is what I'm looking at, all right? If it gives me, of course, the signals to line up, all right? If they come in here and do this and rise, this was a false move beginning. It's going to do that stupid little picture that I've drawn since we met. That stupid little picture of that 1, 2, 3. I was telling that to Johnny earlier. It's been that stupid little picture. I can't help that I love it. Hey, Pip, man. Yes. Yeah, I know you do, bro. A lot of pips, man. A lot of pips. Right? Okay. The Nike, I call it the Nike here. This is a little more difficult pair. I'm not going to go with that one. Euro AUD is chopping around because they're working Euro USD and AU. No trade there. All right. And for Tim, my boy Tim, last but not least, USD Mexican. What is my projections for USD Mexican, Tim? Okay, I'm looking for a stop hunt high drop, Tim, okay? The reason for that is because look at this, Tim. I'm seeing a lot of robo tracks here. Look at this huge monster candle that got the hell out of the high. Look at this, Tim, okay? And Pitman, I think you like this pair, Tim, right? And look at this again, Tim. They came in here, spiked it, and just sat there and consolidated, okay? So I feel like it's giving me 3 hits to the high, Tim, so I'm going to look for any reason to go short. Yes, start looking to short the USD Mexican. Looks like the Mexican peso may gain strength, all right? If it doesn't give us that, Tim, then we're going to look to go long with it right again, okay? But most likely from what I'm seeing, Tim, looks like they may be setting up for shorts, all right, bro? That's what I'm looking for right now. These are all the pairs I'm looking at. WTI, didn't even check that one out. It's not as clear. It looks like a peak was here. V, the next day, V and possibly rise, and then give that M back, okay? Typical market maker cycle. All right, guys, cool. So before we end the class for today, I told you guys it was going to be short. Any questions right now you want to ask me? Anything that we went over, mental or anything, any questions you got today for me? Wow, everybody just asleep or something. Okay, cool. No questions. All right, guys. Perfect. Okay, so this is what I have in mind. So, no, none. Okay, all right. Good. Sounds good, everybody. Okay, guys. So, or if you have a question, but I don't know, you want to ask me in my inbox on Telegram, feel free. Okay, feel free if you want to ask me something personal, whatever. Feel free. Okay. Keep in mind, guys, that I am your Forex mentor, but I'm also there as a mentor in general, okay? Not only for Forex, okay? So if you have any problems outside of Forex, feel free to message me, and I'll do my best to help you, all right? Okay, guys, I guess then thank you, and thank you all. See you, and we'll see you guys on Telegram chats, all right? Peace, guys. Peace. All right. Goodbye, guys.